up in there. Bungs welded in, hopefully get it boxed. What I just spent the first half of the day doing was just detailing this up a little bit. Nothing super fancy, just took the grinding wheel to it, some black where some black needed to be instead of rust, and it looks nicer than it is. It gives a nice little effect of looking thought out and taken care of, as opposed to yanked out of the junkyard, which it is. Just a little bit of black paint and enamel goes a long way to making it look like a better product. I'm gonna replace the rotors and paint the calipers later. Ready to go up into the truck.
Fuck, son of a bitch.
Yep, that shit will burn the fuck out of you.
ran out of daylight again. Seems to be a reoccurring theme, but it happens. We got all of the threaded bungs welded in for bolting up the front end, and we got the passenger side most of the way boxed. Tomorrow we should be able to finish boxing that, box the driver's side, clean everything up, paint it, and then bolt the front in all the way. Done. Front end is converted. So hopefully tomorrow or the next day. I was totally wrong about this being 4 parts or less, just because it's a lot of work, but we're almost there, I think.